Football, and I just said it's Super Bowl Sunday.
Mr. Football, Mr. Steelers, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Steelers. He's Mr. Football. Don't let him fool you. He is Mr. Football. Gotta suck to be all hungover and someone sets off the fire alarm. Bing! Welcome! Oh, this is like their first full week back, right?
Yeah, this is
so
they're going into their second
people are probably realizing how they can't cook popcorn in the dorms or it'll set the smoke alarm off. Yeah. Yeah. He's confusing this poor girl. My husband works here, so it's kind of like the perks of like being able to order our food for the Super Bowl. If you saw my last vlog and I was talking about how I'm gonna end up buying a bunch of Walmart bags because I'm gonna keep forgetting them. This is now my like third or fourth Walmart bag that I have bought because I keep forgetting them. So what can we do, right? I don't know how many people are actually coming for Super Bowl, but I'm gonna make just like a little simple taco dip, and then I have a little bit of a Bloody Mary mix, so I'm gonna make myself a virgin Bloody Mary because I don't drink that often. I do plan on having a few Coronas tonight though, but just give myself a little virgin Bloody Mary while I get this taco dip done.
They're frozen.
That's my face.
Yes.
So we ordered these little Caesar pizzas from, I don't know, from a fundraiser kit, and somebody forgot them in the car, but we're not going to talk about that, right? Because at least we live where it's kind of okay for them to be in the car, but I'm still not happy. Not a happy wife right now. I hate when they're all like chilling and relaxed, knowing that we have guests coming over and they're all gonna go as soon as the guests come. But I guess this is just everybody's nap time, huh? Is this your nap time? Oh, the Chiefs are coming! Woo, woo, woo! Woo! That would have been real cute, Megan. Just slip right on the ground for the vlog. Hold on, let me get through this. So I was told that I needed to come to my shop and to be prepared because of the cold weather. We had a flood, major one. I'm definitely not gonna be able to open my shop tomorrow. I don't know. I'm in shock. This is definitely like we're gonna be having professional cleaners come in, so just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna get all the jewelry out of the jewelry case and just move it somewhere safer in case they take my case and decide to like wing it or something. So you might see, I know I'm like, this is Megan's life without body piercing incorporated, but I figured I'm gonna vlog me at my shop. You will never see a body piercing procedure on this page. If you're into that stuff, you can check out my other page. I'll link it right up here. But yeah, you might see me at work, but don't worry, you're not gonna tune in one day and it's gonna be like, oh, Megan's piercing her nose. At this point, there really isn't much more I can do except for wait for the cleaners. It looks like it pretty much stopped right in the waiting room, but like the window's all fogged, and so I'm gonna meet them tomorrow. There was nothing that was hopefully damaged, like beyond, like my sterilizer wasn't touched, which is great. None of the body jewelry was touched, you know, nothing that I need, except I just need the shop, if that makes sense. So we're good. Could have been way worse, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I did a better pour on that at 7 a.m. It's now 9 a.m. So yesterday we were doing laundry when poop hit the fan, and I'm hanging out in my pumpkin pants because I hang out in them year round, and I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I can't just like go there like as the professional in my pumpkin pants, but now I'm chilling out in them. I need to move everybody, which is a huge undertaking because normally I have between 20 and 30 appointments a day, and to move everybody and try to find space for everybody is a hard task, but we're gonna go for it. So far I've been able to move a lot of people, and now I'm just getting some last minute appointments in to make sure that we get everybody moved. I'm going to prepare this pork shoulder. I sound so like, woo, pork shoulder. This is only the second time that I've ever done this. So I'm gonna do the pork shoulder in the crock pot. If you'd like the recipe for yourself, I did leave it in the comments, the recipe that I followed. I'm no chef, but I do love Pinterest.
Things that kinda bring you to a screeching stop. There's no way to save your heart. You just gotta play your part, and it will turn out all right. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. So in time.
I think I've mastered it. Come on. Woohoo! We did it today. I just got to the shop, and it was supposed to be professionally cleaned, and I don't know what the definition of professional cleaner is, but it's trashed. So now I'm gonna have to do it by myself. Not too happy right now, especially after paying rent and after being told not to do anything. Like, I was told not to do anything, so I didn't do anything. This could have been done. This could have been cleaned my way, and now I'm gonna have to do it my way anyways.
I will find all the things I'm looking for. With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your...
Good morning. Oh my gosh. So it is around 8 a.m. Monday morning. I guess I don't have to be quiet because I know Scott sleeps through anything, but I have a boudoir photo shoot booked with one of the local photographers, and I've had it booked for a really long time, and I am super nervous. Look at, I painted my nails. Well, I didn't paint my nails. I invited my friend over last night. I invited a friend over the first time ever last night, and she happens to paint nails for a living. Didn't even ask her. It just kind of came up in conversation, and I now have painted nails. So I tested out some eyeliner too yesterday. I am going to grab my coffee, go upstairs, and do my makeup. And I haven't done my makeup, like full on makeup, in a really long time. So gave myself plenty of time to do this, and let's see what happens. So I gotta run to the shop and then put some fancy jewelry in my navel and head there. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm nervous. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Hi there, Megan from the future. It's actually been a couple weeks since I did the photo shoot. I think it went really, really, really well. I was so nervous. She made me feel absolutely amazing. If you were in the Plattsburgh area and you want to do a boudoir photo shoot, I highly recommend Life to Lens. I will put her Facebook down in the comments for you, but I'm gonna end it here, and I love this. I know it's only like my second vlog, even though I've been doing this for a while, but I'm just so excited, and I just love creating, and I love this kind of stuff. So I hope that you're enjoying it as much as me, and I will be back with another video for you very soon.